Thinking about adding a 3-season sunroom but not sure how much it will cost? Prices can range from $15,000 to $60,000. That's a large range, so how can you know where your project will fall? In this video, we're breaking down everything you need to know about the cost of a 3-season sunroom, so you can budget more effectively for your project. Hey everyone, I'm Scott from JSB Home Solutions, and we've been installing high-quality 3-season sunrooms in Columbus, Ohio for over 14 years. With more than 45 years in the remodeling industry, we know exactly what these projects cost, and we want to make sure homeowners do too, no matter what contractor they work with. Whether you're looking for extra living space, more natural light, or a relaxing retreat, a 3-season sunroom is a great way to upgrade your home without the price tag of a full room addition. If this is helpful for you, like and subscribe to see more home improvement content. A 3-season sunroom is a glass-enclosed space designed for use in the spring, summer, and fall. It's insulated, but not to the level of a 4-season sunroom, meaning it won't stay warm enough for winter use. These rooms are perfect for enjoying the outdoors without dealing with the bugs, rain, or extreme temperatures. They're built with aluminum or wood framing and feature large glass windows to let in natural light. We use aluminum for our 3-season sunrooms here at JSB. So what's the price tag? On average, a 3-season sunroom costs between $20,000 and $65,000 plus, depending on the size and materials. Here's a rough breakdown. Small sunrooms around 100 to 150 square feet range from $20,000 to $35,000. Medium-sized sunrooms, 150 to 250 square feet, cost between $25,000 and $55,000. And large sunrooms over 250 square feet can run $30,000 to $65,000 or more. The final cost depends on your choices in materials, glass, and design. The more upgrades you choose, the higher you push your all-in cost. What affects the cost of a 3-season sunroom? Let's break down the biggest price factors so you know where to save and where to invest. Size. The bigger the sunroom, the higher the price. More square footage means more materials and labor, which quickly adds up. Materials. Aluminum is the most affordable and low maintenance option, while wood costs more but offers a classic aesthetic. Windows and glass. We highly recommend double pane glass because it keeps heat out in the summer and retains warmth in cooler months. Instead of choosing cheaper glass, you can save money by reducing the amount of glass, opting for knee walls instead of floor-to-ceiling windows, skipping transoms, or choosing a studio-style roof over a gable-style one. Permits and regulations. Depending on where you live, local permits and inspections can add to the cost. Make sure to check your local building codes before starting your project. If you're looking to get the best value for your money, here are a few ways to keep costs down. Go with standard sizes. Custom sunrooms cost more due to added design and material costs. Prefabricated options can save you thousands. Choose aluminum framing. It's more affordable than wood and requires much less maintenance. Reduce the amount of glass without reducing the quality. Stick with double pane insulated glass for energy efficiency, but cut costs by using knee walls, skipping transoms, or opting for a simpler style of roof. Get multiple quotes. Prices can vary significantly between contractors, so comparing estimates ensures you get the best quality and deal. A 3-season sunroom is an affordable way to expand your living space without the high cost of a full home addition. Here's why homeowners love them. More living space. Perfect for relaxing, entertaining, or even using as a home office. It increases your home appeal. According to remodeling sources, a sunroom can boost a home's value with an ROI of 30 to 50% depending on the materials and market conditions. More natural light. Sunrooms create bright, welcoming spaces that can improve mood and energy efficiency. Enjoy the outdoors without bugs or bad weather. No more worrying about rain, wind, or mosquitoes ruining your plans. That said, 3-season sunrooms aren't ideal for winter use, and the resale values vary based on location and quality. But for many homeowners, the added enjoyment and functionality make it a worthwhile investment. If you're considering a 3-season sunroom, we'd love to help. At JSB Home Solutions, we've been installing high-quality sunrooms in Columbus, Ohio for over 14 years. Contact us today for a free consultation, and let's bring your sunroom vision to life. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more remodeling tips, and leave a comment below if you have any questions about sunroom pricing or design. See you in the next video.